What is up, guys? Matt Paolini here. We'll be unboxing this WWE Talking Pounders John Cena. So here we go. Put the belt down. It's going to be hard to unbox. It's going to take a while, guys. It's pretty cool. Cena. It's so hard to get out, guys. Now I have to do this, guys. This is pretty cool. That thing's gonna be hard. Pretty cool. Really like it. These are pretty rare, guys. They're hard to get out, so it's so hard to get out, guys. It really is. Pretty cool. We got him out of the box, guys. There he is. John Cena.
Yo, that hurt. Don't do that again.
Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Awesome. Really like it. Love it. John Cena. Right here, guys. The hat includes a hat. Pretty cool. So guys, hope y'all enjoy this unboxing. Sorry that it was a little bit hard to get out because of this. So this is my unboxing of the WWE Talking Pounder John Cena. So I hope y'all enjoyed WWE Monday Night Raw tonight. So guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out. Enjoy WWE Monday Night Raw tonight, and happy Monday.